Good morning and welcome to another episode of Fitu's Thai Kitchen. Now today we're going to be continuing our drink series. I'm going to be using ingredients a little bit more unusual. So it's called Butterfly Pea flour. It doesn't really slip off the tongue too easily, and this is found around Southeast Asia, parts of India. And it goes by the name Dok Anchan in Thailand. The Latin name is Clitoria Ternatea, which is the first word I guess is the flour in its natural state, somewhat reminiscent of a certain something, which I'm not going to get into too much, but I shall put some details up for you to check it out. Okay, yeah. So we're using a dried flour. So this is the flour in question, and we're going to just boil it with water, like usual, and sweeten it. You can have it cold or hot. Those are the flours. They're quite a nice shade of blue. It's quite hard to pick up, but again, I shall put some pictures. And this is actually from a company called Teataka. This is the first time using this company, but let me tell you, these are really, really good quality. So I'll put the details up for this company. And the smell is, it's almost like a black tea, a little bit fruity. But if I had to place it, I'd say it smells like a Chinese herb, like gantao or da huang, like a Chinese medicine herb. But it's really, really good quality. And this is actually used in a lot of countries as a dye and for dyeing your hair. But it has a beneficial effect when you're making it as a drink. So it can improve your eyesight. It can increase hair growth. So I better get drinking it now. And good for the skin. And the number one reason people in Southeast Asia drink this is it's supposed to be a really, really powerful antioxidant. So let's get started. Alright guys, so here we have the butterfly pea flowers, and we're going to add it to the boiling water. And this is going to simmer and boil for about 10 minutes. Oh wow, look at that. See the colour start to change almost instantly. That's why this flour is used in a lot of dyes. Look at that, doesn't that look amazing? This beautiful shade of turquoise. So we'll let that just nicely simmer for, like I said, about 10 minutes. So that's it in all its glory. Right. Now we're going to sweeten it. Now don't forget, this is going to be diluted with ice, and this is 2 litres of water. So you want it to be a little bit over sweet. Okay, so now it's sweet enough. Alright, now we're going to use a cheesecloth and we're going to drain this off. Let's look at that colour. Beautiful. So, the ice is ready. We just need to pour this out. Oh, look at that. Woo! So here we have our finished article. Look at that. Looks great, doesn't it? Tastes good. This isn't a drink I've had that often in Thailand. Just because some of the other drinks, as you know, I really love. But this is nice. It's a bit more subtly flavoured than the others. It's still interesting. Konnichiwa. And you know, just looking at the colour of it, I mean, it's like you're making a natural slush puppy. You know, you could even combine some of these, like the Nam Kachiap, Nam Matum, and the Nam Dok Anchan. Give it a whirl, and as usual, let us know how you get on, and we'll see you next time. Stay safe, look after each other, and hit like, subscribe, and hit that bell as well. All right. Take care. We'll see you soon. Bye.